I already recorded that I will share to you right after this class. Okay, now we will move forward. We are going to try what is the second hot lab. So in the second hot lab, we will try many things or several types of info text, edit text. This is the app overview that we will going to create. So basically, there are text view and text edit, and also there's a radio button. But beneath the edit text, we will use different kind of virtual keyboard based on the type of the text that will be input by the user. Okay, we'll begin. We'll begin the exercise, the experiment. Okay. We will just continue the Droid Cafe app from the previous code lab. So here we go. We are already done the first part, and now we will continue to the second part. Rename. Okay, open the activity order. There's the activity order, I think. Which is activity order. Kayaknya nggak ada activity order. Okay, we just don't. Because maybe there's slight difference between what inside this app. Android fundamental apps V2. I think I already have that. Let's do the project. Android fundamental apps V2. Okay. But I already changed it, so I'm gonna download it again using the zip file. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Okay. Extract them, and we will just use the Android Cafe input. Android Cafe input. Android Cafe. Okay. I'll close the project and open the next system. Android Studio project di sini. Nope. Sini. Droid Cafe Challenge. Droid Cafe Challenge. Okay. First, open the activity order XML, which use constraint. Okay, add the text view to the constraint layout in activity order. Under order text view, element already in the layout. Okay. Right now, I will just use the text. Yeah. Java. Sorry, rest layout activity order. Okay, I'll just use the code. It's faster. Okay, let's change the change. Okay, we will add the text view. Text view. Text view. Because Gradle is building, so we can use the autocomplete feature. Android ID name label. Android.
Maaf Pak,
Ya.
share screen-nya cuma tampil yang Kotlab.
Kotlab browser maksudnya ya.
Iya.
Okay. Because the Gradle is still building, so no autocomplete. So we have to write it on our own. Android ID and then layout width. We just copy and paste. Okay. Hey. Nope. No. Layout. Have content. Margin start 24 dip. 24 dip. Margin left also 24 dip. Margin top 24 dip. Text name. Left constraint. It's parent. Still building. Bottom constraint is this text view. So we'll use the ID. Okay. So it will mix constraint top to bottom of. At the top of this text view, okay, what is happening? Okay, save the project. It's the hard thing from importing other project. You will have several issues regarding the Gradle. Finish. Any complaint? Okay, great. Okay, we'll just continue. And then Android text, it is hard-coded text, which is not nice. So we'll just extract the name. But still, there's no autocomplete. We'll go to the string, add new resource, sorry. Copy. Okay, I'll change the name, and for the name, I'll use this. Oh, wait. I'll change this to add string name label text. Okay, still not working. Great. Okay, next, add an edit text element. Name text, name text. No, name label. Okay, we'll add. Now we'll add edit text. Edit text, great. With oh yeah, with later, the user visual track. Okay, already done that. To approach next to name label text view, then enter name text, the ID, Android ID plus name text. Okay, constraint left side. Kalau constraint I forget, so we'll just use the design. First element. Oh, first element. Constraint left side and baseline of the element to the name label thing. Okay. Okay, we'll get this. Okay, not the parent, but the name label. Name label. Yes. Okay. Constraint start to not to start, but to what? End of. I don't know. End of. Okay, great. Terus okay, we go to the design. See, masih nggak ada tuh. Terus kenapa dia ke atas? Okay, I'll just try. See. Oops. Aduh. Translate. Okay, save it for later. Baseline. Constraint. Oh, baseline of the element. Baseline-nya belum saya set. Baseline. Tadi constraint. Oh. Constraint. Baseline to baseline of name label. Let's see. Oh, mana dia? Dia. Baseline kok nggak rata? Anyway, lanjut dulu. Input type, text person name. Click the input type. Okay. Input type. Input type. Okay, this attribute that specify the kind of keyboard that it uses. So if we change this to date, so it will use the keyboard that optimized for that input, or a number, so it will show only numeric on the keyboard. And if, for example, text person name, it will make the first letter of each word capital. So we tick the text person name. Okay, text person name. Apply. And then at the head, enter your name. Enter your name as a hint. Okay. Name entry text field as a hint. Yes. Check the XML code for the layout by clicking the text tab. Extract the string resource. Hintnya kita extract. Enter your answer name hint. The following attributes will be set for the. Okay. Ini tadi kita ID-nya name text. Tadi name text. Oh betul. Oke. Ini ringkasannya kita lihat ID-nya name text sudah, lewat hack ya kita pakai wrap. Konten, ini juga wrap konten. Margin start, left-nya 8 dip, 8 dip. I think I already explain about what's the difference between margin start and margin left. Margin start. Okay, margin start. Big dip. Left. Margin. Margin left. Amps. Amps. I don't know what the amps means, but maybe it's for the font size. Amps. Okay. Hint we already. Input types. Input type. Text person name. Baseline to baseline. Start to end. Baseline to baseline. Start to end of. Start to end of. Okay, good. But why the okay already? Like this. Good. Good, great. Okay, it's okay. Let's try run. Or not. Let's try run the app first. Let's view. I'll hit the run button. Let's view. No device found. Oh. Let's view. Let's see. Let's detect. Okay, good. We are waiting the build running. While we're waiting, if there's any question, you can ask. Any question? Okay, maybe we'll just continue without waiting the build running. Okay, we'll continue to add multiple line edit text. Add text view. Okay, add the text view. Text view. Suppose extract content. Yeah. ID. ID. No. Oh, it's building. Okay. Oops. Okay. Margin start left top. Margin start. 24 tip. Margin left 24 tip. Margin top 24 tip. Text address. Text. Text. No. Android. Text. Address. Constraint start to start of parent. Top to bottom of name label. Name label. Okay. Text. We'll get the text. Extract string resource address label text. Okay. Now the edit text. We will just copy the edit text from before. And we will change what is necessary. I'll just close this. Edit text, ID-nya address text. Okay, never mind. With height start left 8 dik. Okay, wait, ends hint, enter address hint. Where's the hint? Enter address hint. What it show? enter address hint. Let's up. What's the value of the hint? Hint. What is the hint? Enter address. Okay, good. We'll enter address hint. There's already there. Enter address hint. No. Enter address. Enter your address. Okay, great. Input type, text multi-line. Input type, text multi-line. Baseline to baseline, start to end. Baseline to baseline, start to end. Change to address. Okay, very good. Run the app, and we have another element. Okay, great. The text, it should be text. What's text? Should be text address. Address. Okay, it should be name, and it should be address. Okay. Okay, great. Address label text. Address label text. Okay, we will extract this string resource. And we'll give the name what address label text. As for this one, we'll change it to name label text. Great. Okay, we have two elements. Right now, we will have the third element. Okay, we will have our third element. Phone. Edit text. Another edit text to the order activity. Where's the text edit? The text view. Text view. Text view and edit text. This is the text view, and this is the edit text. We'll just copy the pair of text view and edit text. We'll put it on the bottom. I'll close this. Now we change the property of the text view first. Font label. Wrap content 24. Text will be font. I'll just change this to font label text and create another resource font. Good. We will need to change this to what is it? Font label. No. Address label. Okay, because we are on the bottom of the address label. But yes, right. We change this to address text to font text. address text. Bottom of address text. Okay. Address as address name label name text. Okay. Parent bottom of order. Okay. Order text view. Di bawah name label address text. Address label. Ini phone label, di bawahnya address label. Oke, ini adalah phone text. Phone text. Address label. Address text ya. Oke. Address text. Address text itu address label. Address text itu ini kan, benar ya? Benar kok. Ini di bawahnya address label, ini yang di bawahnya address text. Sorry. Text. Walaupun sama sih, karena kan mereka sejajar. Oke. Konteks, wrap content, 8 div, dan enter font hint ini ganti. Hint. Enter font hint. Ini kita perlu define in our string.h. Just string XML, sorry. Copy this. Enter your phone number. Yeah, change this to phone. Right, label, name label text. Okay. Double. Name, enter your name, enter your address. Ini hint. Name label text. Name label text. Let me change it to also we don't miss this. Okay, great. Input type phone. So it will use specific keyboard for inputting the phone number. It deep phone label di bawahnya. Okay, great. Let's see the design. Okay. Nice. Address. This is not address. Address. Mana address? Text-nya kan. Phone label. Sorry yang ini. Text-nya. Ini bukan address tapi phone. Phone label text. There's no. Huh? Ada. Phone label text. Oh, sama dengan ini. Okay. Text. Okay, no worry too much because we don't need the text anyway. We will change it from the Java. Okay, next to close the keyboard. Okay, disuruh ngerun nanti aja to experiment. Okay, combine input types in one edit text. Okay. Open the text view. Disuruh ngapain? Okay. Note. Ini baru lagi ya. Oke, note label. Sekarang kita tambahkan text view, ada berapa banyak lagi sih? Oke, this is the last. Text view kita copy lagi satu pasang. a pair of text view and text edit. I'll put them on the bottom. Okay, ID-nya not label. Not label. Sama-sama note text-nya. Ini diganti note. Ini ada di bawah phone label. The note we have to define it. The note label text. Note label text. Sini. We'll change the phone to note. Change this to note also. Okay, note parent phone label already done. We'll change this to note text. Okay, hint, enter note. Hint. We copy the hint. Change phone to note. Enter your note. Okay. Input type. Input type. Input type. Where's the input type? No. Parent phone label. Okay. What is this? Text view. Okay, the text view is good. We already done that. Edit text. Note text. Note text. Dan enter note hint dan text cap sentences. The type right now we will use text cap sentences. So it means we are just using the first letter of a sentence that will be capital. Note label. Text. Oh, we don't really need this text. Okay, there's text. We change this to note label, note label. Great. And to combine value. No. Okay, great. We're done. Okay, we will try running it first. Hopefully it's not long enough to wait for this finished building. While waiting the build running, do you have any question? No. Good. Right dessert. Why we run the right dessert? Why we run right dessert? Right dessert. Activity order. Main activity. Oh, we'll just need to change the activity from the main to order activity, right? Activity order, great. You just need to change the main to this one. Then filter, we cut that down. We'll put it. Great. We'll just run the app again. Okay. Let's view. Okay, name, we use the what did we use? We'll just focus on the type of the keyboard. So we going back to name. Edit text, we use the text person name. So it means when we put space, I try to push space. So it not. It should be capital. No? Address. Okay, good. Okay. I don't know what's going, but it should be. It should use the capital character on the first screen. But let's see what there is from the first one. Name. Text person name. Okay. Okay. I'll just delete the text because there's no text in the edit text, and also on the other text. There's no text. Great. Okay. Type inside. Oh, adanya di sini. Kita harus ngeklik yang tadi. Not at suggestion. Type system. Oke. Jadi ternyata itu bahasa Inggrisnya. Ternyata it doesn't make the first letter of each word capital automatically. But it remember what we have already put into the name edit text. So it remember that yesterday, I don't know, previously I put my name on other application on the input type of name. Jadi dia mengingat. Android tahu bahwa yang biasa dituliskan di dalam input type name itu adalah nama. Jadi mungkin, maybe it's one of the feature of using text person name as your input type in the edit text. So we just click. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't make your first letter of each word capital. Okay, address. Address also, they remember that I have been and that I had input my address, so you can use it walaupun terlalu besar. Okay, great. For the phone number, the keyboard that is shown is numeric keyboard. Great, and the note. Okay, it's the first letter of each sentence will be capital. Rahmat adalah, dan seterusnya, titik, spasi, so it show the capital letter again. Okay. Okay, let's see if the task too long or short activity. Okay. You just did by yourself, okay? For the task 2, I'll finish my lab just for the task 1. You can see the recording from the first hot lab on the link that I will put on the classroom. Question so far? Pertanyaan sampai saat ini? Jadi saya cukupkan sampai task 1 aja ya, task 2-nya kayaknya panjang, nanti akan lama. Tapi idenya sama, tinggal kalian ikuti saja apa yang dibahas di sini. But kalau ada pertanyaan yang perlu kita bahas, silahkan dibahas. Dan yang tadi sebenarnya nggak harus kita ganti, we don't have to change the Android manifest ya. Ternyata fitur ini tuh di-trigger oleh tombol yang warna pink di sebelah kanan bawah itu. Jadi nggak perlu tadi diganti ke intent filter, diganti ke sini. Oke. Di sini ada yang mau ditanyakan? Capek. Do you guys still with me? Question?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any question? So
No.
far? No?
Maybe not yet, Pak.
Okay. So it finished our session for this
Sir,
afternoon.
question.
Yes, please.
May I have a question regarding the capstone project?
Mhm.
So do we have to make a weekly report?
Weekly
Uh,
report.
Yeah.
Okay, weekly report, no. But I will have mid period. So you will report the progress of your capstone project twice at the middle of the time period. Maybe it's about week 10th or 11 or 12. So because we start creating our capstone project on the 4th week, so you guys have 16 minus 4 is 12. So at the 5th weeks after week 4th week, so it means the 10th week, pekan ke-10 or 11 week, you have to report your progress, because I have to check you guys whether you do your capstone project right or no. Okay, so it's not weekly report, but you have to report twice for the entire capstone project. Pengerjaan. Jadi cuma dua kali saja, di tengah-tengah dan di akhir. Kalau di akhir ya bukan monitoring lagi, di akhir itu sudah pengumpulan ya. So at the last week, 16th week, you have to present your capstone project. Okay.
Okay. Can I have another question, sir?
Mm-hmm.
What if it is unfinished, the project itself? Do we have to submit it for RDRS or
At the end or at the middle of the period?
at the end of the period?
At the end, you still have not finished your capstone project. So it's all right, but it will be a consequences on the score of your capstone project. But daripada itu apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Daripada you don't submit your homework, so just submit apa adanya. Apa adanya itu, ya, just submit apa adanya. Because you also will submit the report on the document type file and also the screenshot and especially the APK file. So if you have not finished your capstone project, the APK file, maybe it's not finished yet, but the docx and the screenshot and other thing besides the APK will still can be submitted to the e-learning. Ya, jadi walaupun belum selesai semua, paling enggak yang selain APK kalian tetap bisa kumpulkan berupa laporan, screenshot, entah apapun lah yang membuktikan bahwa kalian tuh mengerjakan sesuatu. Ya. But it's better to submit the work APK. Misalkan kalian punya 10 fitur ya yang kalian mau kerjakan. Yang selesai itu 3 fitur, mending kumpulin 3 fitur itu aja di APK yang bisa dipakai, yang bisa dijalankan. Daripada nggak ngumpulin APK sama sekali. Karena kalau nggak ngumpulin, I will give you 0 score for the APK portion. Ya, itu ya. Jadi kalaupun belum selesai, kumpulkan yang bisa saya lihat. Jangan mengumpulkan APK korup misalkan atau APK yang error, gitu. Jangan. Kumpulin yang run well tapi mungkin nggak komplit. Other question?
No, thank you.
Oke. Yang lain?
Izin bertanya, Pak.
Hmm.
Untuk yang capstone project itu isinya harus dari, maksudnya itu implementasi dari semua materi yang udah kita pelajarin atau?
Nggak semua sih. Tapi better kalau you implement all the concept that we covered in this course. Ya. Tapi tadi nggak semua. Jangan jadi malah memaksakan fitur yang nggak ada hubungannya. Jadi kayak kalian showcase 4 course di dalam satu aplikasi yang 4 course itu nggak ada hubungannya. Jangan. Ya. Yang paling ideal adalah kalian bisa menemukan fitur ini, course ini untuk fitur ini, course ini untuk fitur ini yang mereka saling berhubungan. Tapi nggak ada kriteria harus semuanya. Nggak ada kriteria semuanya. Nggak ada kewajiban, tapi pasti ada nilainya kalau kalian implement semua course di dalam aplikasi kalian. Oke. Dan sebenarnya pembagian tugasnya paling enak per course loh. Jadi nanti ada yang bertanggung jawab tentang koneksi ke server. Ada yang bertanggung jawab tentang menyimpan data ke SQLite. Ada yang bertanggung jawab menampilkan data pada list view misalkan. Pembagian yang kayak gitu lebih enak daripada kalian berbagi screen. Tapi terserah. Find your own style. Ada lagi? Another question? Kalau saya ngomong bahasa Inggris nggak jelas, tanyain aja ya. I am practicing for my IELTS test. next month. And my last IELTS test, the worst item or section is speaking section. So I have to train myself, and you guys are the korban. Question? No? Great. So we will finish this session. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. This recording will be uploaded to the YouTube, and the link will be shared to you in the classroom and also in the e-learning website. Okay, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Sallallahu ala nabiyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.